Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Sony XM6 and removing any cables or case. This prevents accidental damage. Once done, place them on a clean microfiber surface to catch debris and keep parts visible. You then remove ear pads gently by pulling the edges outward. Make sure to note orientation for reassembly. Use a soft brush to sweep loose dust from creases and the headband seam, because removing surface, grit first, prevents it from being pushed into drivers later. You now target the drivers and cushions carefully. Hold the cup at an angle and brush the mesh with light strokes so you don't press on the driver diaphragm. Next, lightly dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl and trace the cushion groove and plastic housing to remove oils. Avoid soaking. If residue resists, use a toothpick to lift it gently, then follow with a damp swab. Make sure to let all parts air dry 10 to 15 minutes so no moisture reaches electronics. You finish by reattaching the ear pads, aligning their tabs and pressing evenly until they click into place. This restores seal and bass response. Once reassembled, power on and pair the XM6, then play test audio at low volume while checking active noise cancellation and microphone clarity, because function testing verifies your work. If something's off, reset the headphones, clean the charging and contact points, and retest. If problems persist, contact support. Don't force components.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.